Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, I will guide you on enabling two-factor authentication for your account in BoldSign. Two-step authentication adds an extra layer of security to your BoldSign account, making it more challenging for unauthorized individuals to access sensitive information. Instead of relying solely on a password, two-step authentication requires users to provide a second piece of information, typically a code, to gain access. This additional layer of security reduces the risk of unauthorized access, ensuring that your documents are secure. Imagine a bank manager committed to reinforcing digital security and protecting sensitive financial documents. Proactively, the manager implements two-factor authentication for his account, ensuring a mandatory verification process beyond passwords. Furthermore, the manager also extends this enhanced security measure to the team members. Let me demonstrate how to set up two-factor authentication for the BoldSign account. First, I access the BoldSign application page. Here, I expand the Settings menu and select My Profile to navigate to the My Profile page. On the page, I move to the two-step authentication section. Here, there are three authentication methods. The first is the Authenticator app authentication. With this method, you use an Authenticator app to generate the verification codes, preferably the Google or Microsoft Authenticator apps. Next is phone number SMS authentication. This method allows you to use your mobile phone number to receive the security code via SMS. The last method is verification email authentication. This option allows users to receive the verification code via email. In this demo, I select the Authenticator app by clicking the Add button. The Setup Authenticator app window appears. I proceed to scan the QR code using the Authenticator app installed on my phone. Next, I enter the verification code generated by my Authenticator app into the Enter Verification Code field. To finalize the setup of the Authenticator app, I click the Continue button. This prompts the appearance of the backup code dialog. I copy the provided backup code and securely save it for emergencies, in case I cannot sign into my account. Once I have saved my backup code, I click the I have saved my backup code button. To use the verification email method, click the Add button, type your email address in the field, and click the Verify email address button. A verification code will be sent to the provided recovery email. Add the code in the verification code field and click Verify. That way, you have completed the recovery email verification setup. When signing into your account, you must enter your password and the secondary verification code. In the same way, you can set up SMS OTP two-factor authentication as well. Now let me show you how the Authenticator app method works. On the login page, I enter my email and click the Continue button. Next, I type in my password and click Sign in. This takes me to the verification page. The Authentication app method is automatically selected. If I need to choose another verification method, I click on the Choose a different verification method link. Here is a display of the added authentication methods on the My Profile page. Additionally, you can log in with the recovery code by entering the Save Backup code. In this case, I choose to use the Authenticator app option. I enter the 6-digit verification code generated by the Authenticator app. I then click the Verify button to access my account. I can also enforce two-factor authentication for the members of my team. Only the account administrator has the authority to implement two-factor authentication. To do this, I click the Users and Teams menu and select the Users option. On the Users page, I toggle the required two-step authentication for your team button. And now any team member who does not have two-factor authentication will have to enable it the next time they sign in. That's all about enabling the two-factor authentication in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.